The question is, just like how one Apex class can extend another Apex class, can one Aura component extend another Aura component? If so, try to give a scenario where we would need something like that. And the answer is definitely yes. We can make sure that one Aura component extends parent or another Aura component, and this is how it can be done. If you notice it, I have one Aura component here, and this is going to be the parent component, and this is going to have all the business logic within it. And I have one more component, which is going to be the child component. And in this child component, I don't have any business logic. Rather, I'm trying to extend the parent component. And likewise, in the parent component, there are two attributes. One attribute is called interest percentage, and the another attribute is called amount. And we also have some business logic here. We are trying to do some mathematical calculation here. We are trying to multiply the value of this attribute with the value of this attribute, and we are trying to divide it by 100. Now, all this child component is trying to do is this child component is trying to set the value to the attribute, which is this, and the value is so and so. Likewise, we are trying to set the value to the attribute, which is amount, and the value is so and so. And back in the app, we are trying to use the child component, and child component is extending the parent component. And from child, we are trying to push the values to the parent component. And in the parent component, we are trying to do the mathematical calculations, and we are trying to display it back to the users. Now I'm going to go back to the app, and I'm going to click on preview. Okay, there you go. The mathematical calculation is done, and it is trying to display as the value here, and the value is 1831.141. So we tried pushing values from child component to the parent component, and the child component is extending the parent component, and the mathematical calculations finally gets displayed back to the users. Now let me walk you through a scenario where we would need something like this. Let us say we are working on a banking application, and all the interest calculation is done by a different team altogether, and they'll try to put all the business logic in the parent component, and they'll try to expose the Aura attributes. Just like how one team is working on the interest calculations, let's also assume that there is one more team which is working on processing the personal details, and the team working with the child component is going to make sure that they extend the parent component, and they'll try to push the interest percentage along with the amount of the loan that they have taken. Based on that, the mathematical calculation will be done. Now let us assume there is one more team which is working on insurance module maybe, and what they'll try to do is they'll also try to extend this parent component, and based on the business requirement, they will try to push a different interest percentage altogether with an amount, and back in the parent component, the calculations will be done. And this is a very simple calculation, and we can also spice it up by making sure which child component is extending this parent. If this parent is extended by personal details module, then try to do the interest calculations at one rate. Likewise, if this parent component is extended by insurance module, make sure a whole bunch of different interest calculations are included and the end results are displayed back to the users. That is what it is when it comes to scenario, and that's all for this episode.